guys how to do a special effects makeup look, and it's going to be a like slit throat tutorial. Alright, so switching over to voiceover because that audio was so bad. I'm going to use this liquid latex, and I got this from a costume store, but you can get it online as well. So what I'm going to do is just apply a layer to my neck, the area that I want to use, like the portion that I want to be slit open. And I'm going to take this tissue. This is like a restaurant. You know how they have those cheap, thin paper towels? You could use that, or you can use like a tissue paper. And I'm just gonna rip it up, and you don't want it to be perfectly ripped. You want it to have like rigid edges, and then apply a second layer of your liquid latex over that. And I do recommend using something disposable like the sponge to apply it because it will ruin your brushes. And so I prefer to blow dry it because it takes a while to dry, so you're going to want to speed up the process. And I also noticed that it looks better in the end when you use the blow dryer. So I'm just going to apply several layers. I believe I did about 4 layers for this look. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. foundation palette. I'm just going to go over it once I make sure it's all dry. And I noticed that a nice cream thick foundation works best. So I'm going to go in with this black Opal powder, a little bit too much, to set it. I've been sleeping on this powder because I've had it for a while and I didn't realize how good it looks on camera. Like, that's what I have on my face right now, but it's bomb. Anyways, the next step is to cut it open, and you want to be very careful because you don't want to stab yourself for real. And I use these little eyebrow scissors to poke a hole in the side and then just work it in there to cut it open. Once you have a nice size slit, you want to make sure you don't go too close to the edges. You want to cut it open a little bit more, so take away a little bit of the excess. Now I'm going to take this cream makeup, and this is like costume makeup. It's really creamy and it's kind of thick. So I'm going to start with the black, and I'm just going to work that in as the base for the inside of the cut. Now I'm going to take the Sahara Blush Palette by Juvia's Place and take that really dark, deep color right there and apply that around the perimeter of my latex. It really gives the appearance of it being bruised, and it helps blend in the latex as well. So now I'm going to take the reds and just kind of be creative with this part and just layer it on. And after that, I'm going to take this blood gel, and I'm going to use a Q-tip for that because it's really messy. And I'm just going to apply that to the inner portion of the cut. So now I'm going to take this stippling sponge. These are amazing, by the way. I definitely recommend them. And I'm going to take some of that blood gel and just stipple it onto my wound. Now this part, I had to make my own blood because I don't actually have any fake blood right now. So I basically just added contact solution to the cream makeup and just kind of mixed some of the colors together just to make it a little bit more like drippy. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I'm doing a Freaky Friday series here on my channel every Friday up until October 1st. I'll be posting a tutorial. And then starting October 1st, I will be doing the 31 Days of Halloween Makeup Challenge on my Instagram and Facebook page. So make sure you go follow me on those. stinks. I'm so tired. And this makeup though. Yes, girl. Yes.